First off, we have a classic, baked brie with cranberry and rosemary. This dish is as simple as it is divine. Begin by preheating your oven to 350 degree F or 175 degree C. Set your wheel of brie on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Cover the wheel with cranberry sauce or whole cranberries and sprinkle with fresh chopped rosemary. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Serve with a sliced baguette or crackers for a delightful start to your party. Next, we have a party staple, spinach and artichoke dip. Begin by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. In a mixing bowl, combine frozen spinach, chopped artichoke hearts, softened cream cheese, sour cream, mayonnaise, shredded mozzarella cheese, grated Parmesan cheese, minced garlic, and salt and pepper to taste. Once mixed, transfer the mixture to a baking dish. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until the top is bubbly and golden. Serve with tortilla chips, bread, or crackers for a tasty and creamy treat. Our third recipe is crispy Parmesan cauliflower bites. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Cut a head of cauliflower into florets and dip into flour, beaten eggs, and a mixture of breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. Arrange the coated cauliflower on your baking sheet and bake for 20 to 25 minutes until golden and crispy. Serve with marinara sauce for a flavorful and crunchy appetizer. Fourth on our list are mini caprese skewers. Assemble cherry tomatoes, fresh mozzarella balls, and fresh basil leaves on toothpicks or mini skewers. Arrange them on a serving platter and drizzle with balsamic glaze just before serving. This is a fresh, light, and easy-to-make appetizer that your guests will love. Lastly, we have bacon-wrapped dates with goat cheese. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Stuff each pitted medjool date with a small amount of goat cheese. Then wrap each one with a third of a slice of bacon, securing it with a toothpick. Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and bake for 15 to 20 minutes until the bacon is crispy. Serve warm for a sweet and savory treat that will leave your guests wanting more. These appetizers offer a range of flavors and textures, perfect for impressing guests at your next party or gathering. Enjoy the process of creation and even more so, the delight of sharing these wonderful bites.